Today I'm going to be reviewing Hafuloky's tire pump wireless 180 psi. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Really nice idea. I am sick and tired of walking around the car with wires all around the place. Very easy to use. It just connects right here. This is for the car. You just screw it in and you can pump that way. By the way, I love the end here. Some of the other ones have a screw that goes onto the tire. It releases too much air. It's a pain in the butt. You get other connectors for basketballs, motorcycles, bikes, easy to charge. 3-mode LED light for emergency. It's also a power bank in an emergency if you need that. Now, what's also nice is that you can choose what you want to pump up by just clicking here. You just push this, and I'm going to put a video up so you can see me pumping a tire. You can choose whether you want a car, motorcycle, bike, or basketball. You can also pick the unit that you want to use, PSI, bar, KPA, and KG CM2. You can also choose the auto shutoff feature, which is going to let you put in where you want the pressure to be. So on my car, 37, push it to there, and it stops when you get there. To change the units here, to change what type of device, basketball card, just click here. Best part, it's a #1 seller on Amazon. This gets 4.7 stars, almost 500 reviews, and last month, 3,000 plus of these were sold. So people are liking them, people are keeping them, and it's a great idea. So if you're looking for a wireless tire pump, check this out. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.